Hey, CookieMonster.
Hey, hello, welcome.
Welkom.
And it's cold here.
It's cold here.
Yeah, and you know what? It's autumn.
Yep, it is autumn.
Autumn, look how beautiful it is here.
Yep, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's getting dark already, but yeah, the leaves are still nice and yellow and brown.
Yeah, and we saw a lot of those big mushrooms. Big ones.
Yep. Yeah, we did.
But now we need to eat because it's getting dark. So let's see what we have for today. Look, cashew nuts.
Yep, cashew nuts, always good.
And orange.
What's that? It's orange.
Orange. These are orange lentils.
Orange lentils.
Yes, orange
Okay.
lentils. Not because I like the color.
Yeah, you're from Holland. Country of orange.
I like orange. But the orange lentils ones are the ones which you have to cook the shortest time. So
Okay.
that's why we choose for orange.
Okay. So how many minutes then?
They say 10 minutes.
10 minutes for lentils.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's good.
And then we have
What's
yeah,
that?
this is the Indian part. So the rest is not Indian. Rice is not Indian. But here are all kinds of spices.
Spices, yep, spices.
Ketumbar,
Katoenbar. Yeah.
jinten,
Jintan.
jahe,
Yeah, okay.
uh,
Get the hang of this.
and I don't know, salt and pepper, and chili, a little bit of chili pepper, and then and dried baked onions.
Okay.
This is about 50 minutes and this is about 10 minutes. We can just put like this.
Okay.
And like this. I could put everything in one bag, but I think it's nice to show you. Like, look, it's orange.
So although the rice is 15 minutes and the lentils are just 10, you just put them together anyway.
You can put them in together.
Okay.
Oh, and you have to put in the Indians.
Oh, you put the herbs in there too?
Not really the Indians, but the Indian spices.
Okay.
Indian spices with pepper.
Oh, okay, now I see it. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff in there.
I let it cook for a few minutes and then to save it some energy I put it in here.
In the pot cozy.
Yeah, because it will stay hot and then
Okay.
and I don't need so much of this
Alcohol.
alcohol.
Yeah.
Look, it's boiling nicely, so it's very hot.
Okay.
And now I put it in here. We just felt the rain, so we thought maybe it's a good idea to put up our tent.
Hey.
So now it's there.
Yep.
In the 10 minutes, the meal is hopefully ready.
Yep.
Ready for eating. Oh, look.
Whoa, 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 that looks good.
That looks good.
Hey.
Oh, this looks beautiful.
That's just the rice with the herbs and stuff and the
The
lentils.
lentils,
Yep.
Oh. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, really good. Now we have, this is called curry sauce.
Curry sauce.
But if you don't have that, you can just put a little bit of yellow curry in. That's also fine. And then we have this one. So we need to add this one. And then we're done.
Okay.
I don't put everything in. I think it's far too much to put it in.
Okay.
And there's still, you see there's still some water left. So
Yeah, I figured because normally you do a little bit less water. At least
Yeah.
that's what you're hoping for. But
now you
You
can add
just-
some.
use some extra for the sauce then.
Yeah.
Curry sauce.
I think this is enough. Otherwise it becomes too much Indian.
Too much Indian?
Yeah.
Too much, you mean too strong, too hot?
Too strong, too hot.
Okay.
And then we can add the cashew nuts.
And why do you those? Do you do those at the end?
There's some extra protein. Oh, at the end, because if you put them in at the beginning, they become soft and they're not nice. It's nice to have something crunchy inside.
Okay. Looks good.
You could also put it in your cup, but you can also put it in here.
Oh, nice.
So.
Smells nice too.
Yeah. So it's almost like we are in India.
In India, in Germany?
Well, no, we are in Germany on the Rothaarsteig in the autumn.
In the autumn, in a tent.
If you eat this, then it becomes like a nice warm, because in India it's always warm.
Ah.
We have sun, the beautiful blue skies. So. And you know what?
Yeah?
With these lentils,
Yeah?
you will have a good feeling the whole night.
What do you mean?
A nicely filled stomach.
A nicely full stomach. Ah.
No hungry, no hiker hunger.
No hiker hunger.
No hiker hunger at all.
Any good?
Nice. Hot. Indian hot.
Nice.